As we discuss basic biosecurity principles, I think we have to first address how our disease is transmitted within the operation. And if we look at disease transmission, it can be by direct or airborne first. And so animals could be breathing or breathing disease type droplets within the hair through coughing. It also can be from a direct contact, maybe through open wounds or rubbing heads together, actual mucus exchange that cause the spread. It could be oral. Animals drinking contaminated water or eating contaminated feed. It can also be reproductively, animals being exposed to reproductive maybe placentas, or it could be through the mating process and breeding process in cattle. They can also be spread through vehicles, and a vehicle would be considered trucks and trailers and those types of things, but it also can be considered any of our equipment that we use. And so those are all issues. Maybe even human clothing, it can be transmitted. Then it can also be transmitted through other living organisms, maybe flies, parasites, and so on. And then finally, it can also be transmitted by living animals, and that would also include humans that could potentially harbor disease and potentially bring it into the operation. And so there's a lot of different ways that diseases can be brought into the operation, and then we've got to address what are some things we can do to try to prevent the introduction of them.